What is good, everybody? Today I have something special. This is my recipe for cheesy fajita stuffed chicken, guys. I know you see what I see on this screen right now. This is a special, oh so delicious recipe, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. To begin, you're gonna grab your pan, get it to about a medium, drizzle a little bit of olive oil in there. You're gonna grab your bell peppers as well as your onion, get it in the pan just like so. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, nothing too crazy, and you're gonna let them do their thing until they're nice and cooked. I like mine with a little bit of texture, so I'm not gonna cook them down to they're, too mushy or anything like that, but you can, cook yours as much as you like. If you like yours kind of more soft, more mushy, you could cook it like that. If you like a little texture, a little bit of crunch, you can cook yours like mine. So this is how they look when they're just about done. I'm gonna take it off the heat, put it to the side, and move on to that chicken. So we're gonna be using 2 boneless and skinless chicken breasts. I'm just gonna slice a little bit of a pocket into that chicken breast. I'm not completely butterflying it. I'm just kind of creating a pocket where I could stuff it up with some goodness. You're gonna do yours just like so. So I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys, and I'm gonna give these breasts a nice massage. I'm gonna get all up in there. You know what I'm talking about? Once your massage is complete, you're gonna move on to this dry seasoning blend right here. And you already know what it is. You know the motto. I ain't even gotta tell you. We about to go crazy. We about to season up this chicken correct, because you know what? Ain't no bland chicken over here. So get all up in there. Get in all the little cracks and crevices. Get a little bit of seasoning in that pocket we created. Just go ham, go crazy. Once that's all said and done, we're gonna grab some pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna stuff about 2 slices of cheese in each of these pockets, and you can go even more crazy if you like that extra cheese. Know what I mean? You could just stuff it up like crazy with cheese. The more the better, in my opinion. Once you have your cheese in there, you're gonna go ahead and grab your bell pepper and onion mixture, and you're gonna toss that in there as well. Get that all stuffed in just like so, guys. Alright, boom. So we got both stuffed up, ready to go. I'm gonna grab my pan, get that to about a medium high, drizzle a little bit of olive oil up in there, and I'm gonna drop that chicken breast right up on that pan and let it do its thing. I'm gonna cook it for about, I would say, 4 minutes on each side. You wanna get yourself a nice looking crust, just like this one. Look at this. Watch that flip, guys. Watch that flip. That flip is coming, guys. You see the color on that chicken? That's how you know that's that pressure. That's how you know that's that pressure. No color, no flavor if your chicken ain't looking like this. Send it back to the kitchen, cause your boy do not want any part of it. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cook the second chicken breast after this as well. And you wanna go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees, because just the way the chicken is so thick and whatnot, it's not going to be fully cooked just on the pan. So you want to go ahead and toss this chicken in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, I would say, at 400 degrees. Once we have both sides seared just like so, as you can see, I have them in my pan ready to go just like so. I'm gonna go ahead and toss them in the oven like I said. So this is the end result, fresh up out the oven. This is how they look, and they look amazing. This is that pressure. I'm trying to tell you, this is just oozing with flavor, guys. Oozing with flavor, guys. This is gonna make your next dinner just pop off, guys, because it's that good. I'm trying to tell you, just the flavor combo of everything all coming together. Guys, I would never lie to you. Go ahead, go to your local grocery store, stock up on all these ingredients, and enjoy, guys, because this is so delicious, so amazing, guys. And the presentation is just top notch, guys. Put this on a plate, impress anybody. Now, I mean, you got a date coming up, put this on a plate. Last but not least, I want to give a special shout out to all of our channel members. Really appreciate your support. Love all you guys. If you want to know more about our channel membership, hit that join button down below. Find out all about it. I really enjoyed making this recipe. Really enjoyed eating it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you on the next video. Deuces.